Zeke, this is a very, very special moment. Oh, it is? What? Why? Because we're here in the forest. You see all the trees up there? Yeah, yeah, I do. And the creek that's running past here, you see that? Yeah, yeah, I do. And out there, you see, what we have done, you and I, is we have become part of nature. We have? Yes. Can you feel it? No, no, I can't. I can't feel it. You can't feel nature working within you right now. No, no, I can't. Remember, I'm just a shadow. I don't have feelings. I'm not like you. Okay, all right. Forget it.